density means? So many times I told you about density. But in a cluster, how many numbers of data is present? This is nothing but our density. Okay. So density will be dependent on number of data items and data sets will be dependent on density. In density, in DB scan, we have to perform that how many density will we have to decreases. That program is our DB scan algorithm. Okay. In DB scan algorithm, there are two main points are important. First one is mean points, and second one is epsilon. Okay, so what is in my mean point? Any idea about mean point? Why we use mean point? See here. This is our cluster. Okay. This is our center point. In this point, A, B, C. So many times we have used put it on your cluster. So that cluster point we choose. This is our mean point. Okay. Suppose in this cluster there are many data types means A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, whatever. So that is our mean point. In this cluster we choose only 1, 2, 3. Three main data points. So this is our mean points. Okay. And what is about epsilon? Epsilon is suppose this is our center point, and we draw a radius. This is our epsilon. Then that radius we perform a circle. This is our cluster. Understand? Any query? This is our epsilon. So we DB scan will perform on only two bases. One is mean point and another one is epsilon. Okay. So in DB scan we learn about mean point and other one is epsilon. Okay. So in DB scan there are three main points are present, so we can easily understand what is DB scan. Okay. So there is a core point. Second one is boundary point. Third one is noise. Okay. So suppose this is our circle. Okay. And this is our epsilon. This is our center point. And regarding this, we are again drawing one circle. So here we will give you A, B, R. Again draw one circle. Suppose, so see here, we have to find we have to understand what is meant by core point. Okay, so core point is nothing but the when this minimum point provided and epsilon. Okay, so core point is nothing but when we provide a midpoint, they suppose we have provide 3 midpoint, so that midpoint will be presented on one circle is so you can say core point means here see here P Q R, these are 3 midpoints. Okay, so our targeted data will be started from R. So R is nothing but our core point, and R is nothing but our core point. So again see other circle, there will be S. S will be started, there will be 3 midpoint is present, 1, 2 and 3. So S will be our core point. Okay, so this is our core point. Understand core point? So core point is second one is boundary point. What is meant by boundary point? Boundary point is nothing but the nearby core point, or you can say that nearest value of core point. So see here P. P and there here minimum point is provided 3. Okay, so P, CP, there will be 3 midpoints are present in that circle. Only P and S, P is provided. Okay, so R, P is our boundary point. What? Understand? For see here, for again easily understand. Tell you, see, these are our R1 is the first circle. Okay. In a separate way, I will show you R S started. See here, R will be a first point, core point, and S will also a core point. Okay, so distant point here 2 circles, 1, 2 circles are present. There C and T and P. There 3 point is not present. Means midpoint is not present there. So that's why it is called as boundary point. Boundary point is nothing but the nearest value of core point. Here the R is our core point. So R here 3 point is present. 1, 2, 3 point is present, and S is also our core point. There 3 point is present. 1, 2 and 3. But regarding P, there will be only 2 point is present. 1, 2. So this is our boundary point. Understand? See here also same. In T, there will be S and T. There will be no point is present. No point is present. So we can say that P is also our boundary point. We can say, so our core point is covered, boundary point is covered. Third one is noise. Noise means sound. Okay. In our language, dBm. Good, very good. So see here, this is our one data is present. Here center point is present, boundary point is present. Where is noise? So noise is nothing but that those data that is present in not present in nearby score point or not present by boundary point. This is our noise.